Hi, today we're going to show you how to hook up an LED mirror. You have your black, the white, and the ground, same as what you would have coming out of your wall. Okay, coming out of your wall, you'll have a black wire, a white wire, and a ground wire. The black one has power in it, the white one is a common neutral ground. So we take our wires which come with the mirror, they're identical, white, the black, and the green. So I connect the white one. Then we hook up the black one. You hook up your ground. Okay, so you put your screws in and you have to line them up with these holes. So you take your measurement from the center of this hole and the center of this hole, and then you find your center of your sink, and then you just put the screws on either side, equal distance, to line up with your holes. So we're going to check and see if there's power in the mirror. To make sure, yes, we do. Put your fingers in the back here where the holes are so you can line them up with your screws. You hang it,